Good evening, and welcome to Cocktails in Literature. My name is Justin, and tonight we're going to be talking about the classic daiquiri. And by the classic daiquiri, I mean just rum, fresh lime, and simple syrup. 3 quick, simple ingredients, and that's it. It's a far cry from the bastardized versions you may see today on beaches, frozen with mango or strawberry or passion fruit or whatever the fuck. The classic daiquiri has endured, and it may have gotten overshadowed by these touristy, beachy cocktail things, but the classic is still the best. 3 simple ingredients, like I said. That rum base, that's the only thing it really has in common with the rest of that bullshit you find out on the beach today. And we're going to be doing the classic daiquiri, which is one of my favorite cocktails, based off of British novelist Greene's Our Man in Havana. Our Man in Havana was published in 1958, and it is a satirical black comedy based on certain British Secret Service agencies, specifically MI6. If you're reading between the lines at this point, we're talking about James Bond. The first James Bond novel was published in 1953. That was Casino Royale, and several have popped up in between 1953 and 1958 when Our Man in Havana was published. But whatever. Let the British make fun of the British, I guess. It's still a fun book to read. Check it out. I'm a huge James Bond novel fan. Movies too, but novels definitely. But anyway, what's going on here is James Wormold is the main character, and he is a vacuum cleaner salesman living in Havana, Cuba. And he is approached by MI6, the British Secret Service, to be a spy, espionage, all that kind of stuff. Hijinks ensue, all that kind of fun things. Anyway, we're going to talk about the daiquiri, and this is from Part 1, Chapter 3. The long bar that morning was empty, except for the elegant stranger at one end and a stout member of the tourist police who was smoking a cigar at the other. The Englishman was absorbed in the sight of so many bottles, and it was quite a while before he spotted Wormold. "Well, I never," he said. "Mr. Wormold, isn't it?" Wormold wondered how he knew his name, for he had forgotten to give him a trade card. 18 different kinds of scotch, the stranger said, including Black Label. "And I haven't counted the bourbons. It's a wonderful sight." "Wonderful," he repeated, lowering his voice with respect. "Have you ever seen so many whiskeys?" "As a matter of fact, I have. I collect miniatures, and I have 99 at home." "Interesting. And what's your choice today? A dimpled Hague?" "Thanks. I've just ordered a daiquiri." Our main character, James Wormold, his favorite cocktail is the daiquiri. He drinks them all throughout the book. Bourbon and scotch are clearly mentioned. One of Wormold's friends loves the Plancher's Punch, another rum-based cocktail, which we're not going to talk about today. But booze-laden, much like the Bond novels and Bond himself. But the daiquiri, again, we're going the classic route. So just the 3 ingredients is all you need. Rum, fresh lime, and a little bit of simple syrup. So to build it, we're going to do an ounce and a half of rum. I'm using a white rum because that's what I prefer. And I think, I'm not positive, I'm pretty sure that's what the classic calls for anyway. So an ounce and a half of white rum. I'm going to do 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lime juice. Let's see here. I chose this lime specifically because I figured it would get me about there. Almost there. And there we go. Yep, perfect. I like when that happens. So, ounce and a half of rum, 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lime juice. Then we're going to do just half an ounce of simple syrup. I'm going to build that in a cocktail shaker over ice. We'll shake this. Get it all congealed and homogenized and that sugar and acid fluid throughout the rum. I'm going to strain it into a coupe. Typically, tiki cocktails, the daiquiri being one of them, go into fancier, cool-looking, shorter glasses. I don't have any tiki glasses at the house, unfortunately, so I am going to do a coupe, but it's fine. And then I'm going to garnish it off with a little lime, zest. Go back there. There we are. And then we have it. Classic daiquiri. Enjoy the cocktail. Read the book. Subscribe down below if you haven't done so already. Like this video. And join me every week. I do this every Wednesday. A new cocktails and literature video comes out. I hope you enjoy them. Please watch them. Please like them. Please share them. And have fun. I hope you liked it. Cheers. Salute. I'm going to go drink this now. Bye.